Spiny gourd is a popular nutritious vegetable. This small, cute, spiny fruit is always used as a vegetable for cooking. This crop grows well in warmer season or in summer. The ideal temperature for spiny gourds is 27 to 33 degrees Celsius. These plants love the condition of full sunshine. The spiny gourd is very good in any soil. Sandy to the loamy soil is better for this. It should be noted that drainage in the soil should be very good, and the soil should be full of organic nutrients. The ideal pH of the soil for spiny gourds is 5.5 to 7. Prepare a land by leveling it with the help of local plow or tractor. Usually, 2 or 3 plowings of soil are sufficient to bring the soil in very fine tilth. It is advisable to add about 15 tons cow dung manure, 110 kilograms TSP, 60 kilograms MOP, 90 kilograms gypsum fertilizer per hectare at the time of the last plow to the uppermost soil. After 15 days of land preparation, seeds should be sown. Before planting the spiny gourd seeds, loosen the soil thoroughly and prepare the bed. In spiny gourd farming, the propagation is mainly done with the help of seeds and also by tubers. However, planting with tubers, 3,500 to 5,000 of tubers per acre is enough. Always be used good quality seeds. Place the tubers on the depth of 2 to 2.5 inches inside the soil. Insert at least 3 tubers in each bed. Light irrigation must be done after planting. There must be a minimum distance of 2 meters between the rows, and should be 30 to 32 inch distance between the plants. For the summer harvest, spiny gourd is sown from January to February. And for the monsoon crop, it is sown in the month of July. As this vegetable plant or vine-type plant, so requires a support for good vegetative growth. Use bower system, or stake system, to give support those vine plant. It starts flowering within 1.5 to 2 months of planting. Every morning, the female flower should be artificially pollinated. Suitable for collection within 2 weeks of pollination. Depending on the species, production is 20 to 25 tons per hectare. If spiny gourd seeds are once sown in the field, tubers sprout at the onset of monsoon every year. A good green yield can be harvested every year and up to 5-6 years from the same tubers or plants. Removal of weed in spiny gourd farming should be done on the regular basis, like at an interval of 7 days. After that, give water on the basis requirement of spiny gourd plant. However, the land should not accumulate excess water. Per hectare 150 kilograms urea fertilizer and 80 kilograms MOP fertilizer should be applied in 2 equal installments, once in the growth stage of the plant and after flowering. Fruit flies and nematodes are major insects that usually invade. Use organic pesticides to control the fruit flies. For nematodes you add neem cake when preparing the soil. This is a good way to prevent it. Powdery mildew, downy mildew, leaf spot, and mosaic are the major diseases. Use of fungicides is the best way to control these diseases. Always remove and destroy the infected plant to control the viral disease. For more information, contact your nearest agriculture department.